We're here to see what it's like to spend Halloween in New Orleans, and as a chef and foodie, we're finding the best food for you that's not overrated on Google or Yelp. From the famous beignets to downright Southern comfort food and culture, this is the real New Orleans.
Looks like the corridor of shine.
There's someone naked in her room.
Well, it's not your fault. It was a mess. I just saw the mess in the room.
It was a naked couple, just ass naked in bed.
Were they sleeping?
Yeah.
When I saw your face, I thought it was like a super nice room, you know, something special.
I can't believe that happened. Let's try it again, we got a new room. Just in case.
Clear. We are going to try the famous beignet at the Café du Monde. But first we're going to see the markets. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are those real?
Yeah. Cool, thank you.
That's it. Little gift for grandma.
Yeah. They blow up when you put them in water. They say the service is pretty bad. I agree. Ready for beignets.
Finally order.
Hangry.
Yes.
It's heavy. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's worth the wait. 100%.
Smells good.
It's good.
Don't even like it.
We're off to try and compare more beignets, but at this cafe, they do things a bit different.
Beignet round two.
Burn yourself. Better?
Yeah. This is better than Café du Monde. I'm sorry for all the fans out there. It's lighter.
Lighter? It looks lighter. Yeah, it looks good. I want to try it.
The other one was like a big block.
Oh yeah. This is more like a classic beignet. Super light, crunchy, sweet. Yeah, nothing wrong with it. Winner. The Café du Monde was good ambiance, whatever, people watching, but the actual beignet was too heavy.
One thing, they're a bit stingy on sugar here.
Oh yeah, there's not a 2-inch layer of sugar like Café du Monde.
Yeah, so.
But it's all good. I'm not complaining.
You know what's the longest road in New Orleans? Peniston.
Ah, Peniston. 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 It's super long. It goes on forever. It's a lemon tree. Got a lemon.
Couldn't resist.
No, it feels so juicy. So firm. Because it was grown on Peniston Street. So hard.
God.
Here in Magazine Street is where you go to feel a bit more safe. because it seems like a bit more gentrified area and the food is awesome.
Need an extra spoon?
Yes, please.
Yes. Thank you.
There you go. Y'all have a great day.
Thank you. Wow, this looks awesome. This is orchid cream and pineapples. I want pineapple cilantro because I'm Mexican.
Mexico.
That's so fresh.
It's very refreshing. You know, it doesn't feel so heavy.
No, that's really good. Thank you.
I hope you'll enjoy it.
Nice background.
It's a little too sweet for me. So we're on this like street called Magazine Street, and it's just a street full of shops and restaurants, and it's a whole different neighborhood. There's a lot more white influenced people here. You can tell it's like not as, doesn't have that much character. I'm just kidding. No, it's good. It's nice. It's a nice relief. Like, don't have to watch my back every 2 minutes. So we noticed like a good tip if you're looking for the bus stop in New Orleans is that don't look for the bus stop with the indication with the sign, because they're all torn off. They don't have places to show you where the bus is gonna stop actually. So
It's just a pole with 2 zip ties.
yeah, and a sign.
That's where the sign was, I guess.
But you just find a pole with a zip tie, and you know that's where the bus stop is.
It's been working so far.
Yeah, gotta know where you go. If you don't know, you don't know.
Day 3. We're on another mission.
As always, we're chasing food.
We're going to this iconic place. It's called Little Dizzy
It's in the hood.
Cafe.
You can see. Not the safest place, but the food's good. That's all that matters. So it brings people together.
We're supposed to get the bus and stop in the park, but
Rob missed the stop, like always. And yeah.
so we're walking.
Yeah, walking. That's the second police car that's gone through in 5 seconds.
I actually like to do those back streets. That's like the houses are all colorful, they're all different. There's no tourists here at all. So we've been covering, we covered so much ground in the past 3 days. Like we're doing like almost 20,000 steps a day, which is 8 kilometers. So
Yeah.
we are, I think we discovered all the back roads around our hotel.
Yeah.
Which is great because, you know, that's how you see the city.
Yeah, you miss it if you drive and, you know, Uber everywhere, and you get to miss all the places that, you know, the heart of the city. It's like even the places you're not supposed to go, you know, it's just like here.
And even if it, I mean, someone says it's not safe, but we're doing it during the day, so it feels like actually pretty safe.
Yeah.
It's not that we're going out at night in dodgy places.
No, we're in bed by like 9.
Yeah, Mom, we're safe. We're just chasing food.
So it's not open yet. They said to come early. And this place is not very touristy at all. It's like it's kind of like a local favorite that we heard of.
Actually, I've seen that. That's a lot of tourists going here now.
Now
you just got famous, you know, TikTok and stuff.
Because of TikTok. Dang. Can't go anywhere. Can't escape.
But it's only open for lunch.
Yeah, for like a few hours.
Yeah.
So we'll check it out. I'm excited.
Yeah, look at it.
Little Dizzy's.
Alright. We have a bread pudding. We have a shrimp plate.
Yeah.
And we have a red bean plate.
Yeah.
Do you care for tartar or cocktail sauce?
Cocktail sauce or tartar sauce?
Yeah.
I think I'm good.
Take tartar sauce.
Okay.
She just asked me if I wanted tartar sauce, and I have no idea what she asked me. I was like, yeah, I'm good. I think I'm okay.
That's some good shit.
I want to try this.
These look really good.
Nice. Oh my god.
So light.
Wow. food. Got
that?
red beans and rice.
Oh, the sausage in it.
So sausage, smoked ham, fried chicken.
Whoa.
Cornbread.
Okay, mine are shrimps, greens, and potato salad.
Oh, yum.
Then we have bread pudding later.
And some more greens too. Oh, yummy, a lot of greens.
Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
How's the fried chicken?
Wow. I haven't had it in like maybe 10 years. So good. So good.
It's so good.
So good.
This bread pudding?
Yeah.
So it's
like
dipped in what? Milk?
It's baked. It's like custard. Oh my god. It's so sweet, but
It's so good.
so good. It's like addicting. That's
Sugar.
That's addicting. It's dangerous. Bill Dizzy's is like walking into your family's own restaurant. Like nothing fancy, but you could feel the southern vibe, and with the fried chicken and andouille sausage in the air, it's amazing. You have to go there.
We booked one thing, which is a free walking tour, and it's through the voodoo history of New Orleans.
Yeah, apparently there's like a deeper side to voodoo. It's not just about, you know, the Hollywood voodoo, what, you know, they teach about putting needles in little dolls. There's a whole different side of it, and we're gonna go see the actual priest that is part of the voodoo religion. So that'll be interesting.
Very curious. Yeah.
I'm super curious, yeah.
These offerings left down here at the bottom of the tree, what does that mean? Like, what do y'all actually believe in? What do y'all stand for? Okay, believe this or not, we are 6,000 years older than Christianity. That's how old we are. We believe in God. So what does that mean, that y'all believe in hexes and curses? No. Believe it or not, amongst the Latino and Latina community and the African black community, the idea of curses and hexes was only started to protect themselves against racism. We actually do not have that in the religion. Why? Because we believe in God. And why would God give power to one human being to control another human being, especially against their will? Because it takes away their free will. So as far as like somebody throwing a hex or a curse on you, funny thing about curses, baby, they only work when you believe in them. Think about it. If you don't believe in curses, I promise you, ain't shit gonna happen to you. But as soon as you say, oh, I feel like somebody put something on me, you're gonna be so paranoid every goddamn day, looking around trying to figure out what the hell going on. Oh, they didn't put some powder under my damn shoe. Who got time to carry all that damn powder in their pocket? I don't throw that out there. Especially when they say we do this. Now he's supposed to be a voodoo zombie. What the fuck? That shit gonna get all over your head. I'm gonna be a zombie too. Does that make sense? That it doesn't make sense? So yeah, we don't have that because we worship God.
So that's what voodoo is all about.
That was interesting.
Yeah.
Definitely not what we all think of voodoo.
Yeah, I was hoping it would teach us like how to poke people with needles and dolls and black magic and all that. He didn't even, so apparently there's not even any like remnants of black magic in voodoo. So
that's black magic. That's what we call voodoo. I think it's just black magic.
So that's a whole other like religion. So voodoo is just like worshiping God, the spirit, and helping poor people.
What I like his sense of humor. Definitely a tour to do if you come in New Orleans.
Yeah, highly recommend it.
And it's free. You just tip him at the end.
He's such a character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
High Priest Robic, thank you.
Thank you.
You'll find the link in the comments. We're gonna put it his Instagram and the website too.
Yeah. He made some like recommendations where we're gonna eat the poboys.
Yeah, he gave us good tips, so we're gonna check it out.
Yeah. See ya. This is a shrimp po' boy.
Po' boy, what's a po' boy?
Poor boy. It's a sandwich from, again, it's like a multicultural sandwich because you got like the Vietnamese bread, French,
12 inches.
and the fried shrimp with cornmeal, flour, got your mayonnaise, got the whole works.
That looks good.
Oh wow, look at that. You can see the shrimp and everything. It's nice and pink. The shrimp out here is like supposed to be really good. It's from this lake. Wow.
Oh, po' boy.
Wow. This is mine.
Oh yeah. That's really good.
How good is that? Oh, so good.
$12 for a massive sandwich.
Yeah. 12-inch sandwich. Fresh shrimp. Wow. So good. Halloween and our anniversary is what we came here for, but we couldn't leave New Orleans without heading out to the music and costume scene right on Freshman Street. Cool, cool.
Hey girls. Yes. Yes. Hello. Hello. Bye bye, New Orleans.
That's it. I'm gonna miss it.